power nozzle on my mom's old Filter Queen vacuum stopped working. The vacuum model number is PG92 and the power nozzle is model PG48. I removed the little motor in the head and found that it was super dirty and the bearing had seized up. I was able to free the bearing, but the motor had gone bad. Maybe it overheated from the bad bearing. I think it's a good idea to clean out the head and motor with compressed air every once in a while. Amazon did not have the correct motor, but I did find it at filterqueenspecialties.com. They were great. They shipped right away and they use US Postal Service, so shipping cost is probably the lowest you're gonna get. I would definitely buy from them again. I put the new motor in and the vacuum works great. Good luck, guys.